Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's a full 9-foot 6-inch beam. It has a weight with engines of approximately 10,200 pounds. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the new Mercury V8 twin 250s with joystick piloting. As you step into the cockpit area, the first thing you notice, you've got a full bench seat, folds up out of the way. Another seat over on the port side, folds up out of the way, so when you're ready to fish, you've got a big open cockpit. Tow rails on each side for fishing, fish boxes on each side, live well in the port stern as well. You have storage tackle drawers all the way down, 3 nice drawers. You have a cockpit fridge as well. As you see, this boat is equipped with the weather curtain set. Really makes it nice to get out of the weather on those foul weather days. Let's step up into the helm area now. As we move to the helm, you'll see this boat is equipped with the Raymarine Axiom 16-inch chart plotter. This boat also has open array radar, vessel view, Mercury active trim, fusion stereo, spotlight controls, Lenco trim tabs, of course your joystick piloting, which includes skyhook. So you can hit the skyhook button through GPS communication. It'll anchor the boat. If you need to get dock lines out, if you need to get to a fuel dock and it's crowded, you've got to wait your turn. Really great feature. Over on the port side, you have a lounger that does a number of functions. This seat can slide forward and back to have different seating positions. Now we'll step down and check out the cabin of the 285. As we step in the cabin, first thing you'll notice, you have a nice V-berth area, nice wood table that converts. Over on the port side again, you have your galley area with microwave, cooktop, refrigerator, sink. You have a mid-cabin berth. You also have a nicely equipped head compartment with sink. Okay, now we're up on the bow of the 285 Conquest. A couple things you'll notice that make this a great offshore boat. Full glass windshield with large wipers, spotlight right above it. You also have a vent in the windshield to get great ventilation on days when you need it. As we step all the way forward in the bow area, you see this boat's equipped with a windlass with the stainless steel anchor. Large bow rail all the way around for safety. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call, 910-256-8100.